case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1988, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Basic Inc. v. Levinson, centered around the legality of making false or misleading statements about securities. These actions can lead to artificially low prices and harm investors, providing legal remedies for those who suffer losses. The case involved a potential merger between Basic Incorporated and Combustion Engineering Inc. Despite initially denying any negotiations, Basic later approved Combustion's tender offer. Shareholders brought a class action against Basic and its directors, alleging that they had issued false and misleading public statements that caused share prices to drop and resulted in injury for those who sold their shares based on the misleading statements. The court was tasked with determining if a person who traded a corporation's shares after the issuance of a materially misleading statement could invoke a rebuttable presumption that they relied on the integrity of the market price. Relevant facts included the potential merger, denial of negotiations, and the allegations of false or misleading statements. The majority opinion, written by Justice Blackmun, focused on applying the materiality requirement of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934 and determining the presumption of relying on market prices. The court ultimately ruled that Basic's voluntary statements were misleading and accepted the fraud on the market theory, allowing for a presumption of reliance by the plaintiffs. While the district court's class certification was deemed appropriate, it was also ruled to be adjustable. The judgment of the Court of Appeals was vacated, and the case was remanded for further proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.